Welcome to this fireside chat on the use of AI in manufacturing processes across the value chain. I'm Shankar, your moderator for today's discussion. Joining us is Soni Nizam, an industry expert with a wealth of experience in leveraging AI technologies to optimize manufacturing operations. So let's dive right in. Soni, how can AI be applied to improve production efficiency and quality control in manufacturing?
AI has a significant impact on production efficiency and quality control in manufacturing. For example, AI-powered the predictive maintenance can analyze the real-time data from machine to anticipate the breakdown, enabling the proactive maintenance and minimizing the unplanned downtime. Another application is quality control, where AI algorithm can analyze the sensor data and visual inspection to identify the defect or abnormality during the production process, ensuring the consistent quality standard. Furthermore, AI can optimize production scheduling by analyzing historical data, demand forecasts, and other factors. It helps manufacturers to achieve better resource allocations and minimize the production bottlenecks.
Okay, so that brings me to find out from you, what are some ways in which AI can enhance supply chain management in manufacturing?
AI offers several opportunities to enhance the supply chain management in manufacturing. For instance, AI-powered demand forecasting and analyze historical sales data, market trends, and other factors to generate accurate demand forecasts, enabling manufacturers to optimize inventory levels, to reduce the stock out, and improve customer satisfaction. AI can also optimize logistics and transportation by analyzing the data such as delivery routes, traffic conditions, and order volumes to optimize delivery schedules. It's also minimize the transportation costs and improve overall supply chain efficiency. Additionally, AI-driven supplier management system can analyze supplier performance data, market trend, and risk factor to facilitate better decision-making in supplier selection and leadership management.
Okay, that brings me, Soni. How can AI improve product customization and personalization in manufacturing?
I believe AI plays a crucial role in enabling product customization and personalization in manufacturing. For instance, AI-powered the recommendation system can analyze the customer data, preferences, and historical purchase pattern to provide the personalized product recommendations. It's help manufacturers cater to individual customers that need the preferences. Moreover, AI-driven design automation tools can assist in product customization by generating the design variation based on customer inputs and preferences. It's reducing the time and effort required for custom product development. AI can also enable real-time production adjustment based on customer specifications. It's allowing manufacturers to produce customized product efficiency and at scales.
That's great to know. There are many plus points from AI, which brings me to another point that I would like to understand. What are the potential challenges and risks associated with implementing AI in manufacturing processes?
While AI offers significant benefit, there are challenges and risks to consider. One challenge is data quality and availability. AI algorithm the AI requires a high quality of reliable data to make accurate predictions and decisions. Ensuring data integrity and accessibility can be complex, especially when dealing with legacy system and also the data sources. Another challenge to the need is about the skilled talents. Implementing AI in manufacturing requires expertise in data science, machine learning, and AI technologies. which may be a short supply at the moment. Additionally, there are ethical considerations surrounding AI, such as the privacy concerns and the potential for the bias in decision-making algorithm. It is essential to address these challenges proactively through robust data governance, talent development, and also ethical guidelines.
So, given these facts, what is the future outlook for AI in manufacturing, and how can companies prepare for it?
Okay, the future of AI in manufacturing is promising. We can expect to see further advancement in autonomous system, robotic, and also AI-driven decision-making processes. The manufacturer should prepare the investing in data infrastructure, ensuring the data quality and also accessibility. They should also foster a culture of innovation and collaboration to drive AI adoption across the different functions within the organization without hesitate. Furthermore, upskilling the workforce is an AI-related skill will be crucial to leverage the potential of AI in manufacturing. So lastly, companies should stay informed about emerging the technologies as the industry trend, actively exploring the partnership and collaboration with AI solution provider and academia to stay at the forefront of the AI-enabled manufacturing.
Thank you. Thank you, Sony, for sharing your valuable insights on the use of AI in manufacturing processes across the value chain. Your examples and perspectives have shed light on the transformative potential of AI in optimizing production, supply chain management, and customization in manufacturing. It's clear that AI is set to revolutionize the industry, and organizations must embrace this technology to gain a competitive edge. We appreciate your expertise and contribution to today's discussion.